Welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss all the matchup of economics. So first we have is market economy. Market economy means private ownership. Service of a teacher is a skill. Centrally planned economy is of a government. Positive economics discuss about the functioning of the mechanism, while normative economics evaluate the mechanism. Positive economics says what it is and what was talks positive, while normatives what should be and what ought to be. So demand curve is always downward sloping. Linear demand curve, it has a formula, that is d bracket p is equal to a minus bp. Okay. Unitary elasticity of demand means ED is equals to 1. Complementary goods are paper and ink. Indifference map, it's a family of indifference curve. So this is from the second. Now let's discuss about the third chapter. What is CRS? Constant return to scale. CRS means constant return to scale. SAC means short run average cost. LRAC long run average cost. TFC plus TVC is equals to TC. SMC is short run marginal cost, but the formula is change in total cost divided by change in cost. Now after that we have another question. Marginal revenue means change in total revenue divided by change in quantity is marginal revenue. PIR, that is profit, means total revenue minus total cost is the profit. Average revenue means total revenue divided by quantity is equals to total revenue. Normal profit means zero profit, and perfect competition means perfect information. Adam Smith said that the perfect competition is under the invisible hand. Price ceiling means upper limit on price. Market equilibrium, where the quantity, demand and supply is equal. Possibility of supernormal profit means the attraction of new firms. Price floor means the lower limit on the price. So upper limit is seal is the upper limit, floor is the lower limit. By that you can understand what is price ceiling, restriction on the upper limit, flooring, restriction on lower limit. Service of a teacher is a skill. TR is equals to price into quantity. What Adam Smith said, it is the operation of invisible hand. GDP, that is gross domestic product, is GDP. Savings is income minus consumption, whatever is left is savings. So market economy is private economy. AR is equals to TR divided by quantity. Market equilibrium formula is that quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. PDI, that is personal disposable income, it is not there right now, leads to rise in the price. Excess demands means it lead to rise in the price in the long run. Positive economics, we have already discussed about it, that it deals with the functioning. Normal profit, zero profit. Upper price ceiling deals with the upper price, and labor needs wages. And raw material is the intermediate goods which is being used to make the to complete the production and to make it final product. After this we have normal economics, normative economics, which evaluates the mechanism. Perfect competition, where the people will have the perfect information. Price flooring, that is floor means lower limit. Domestic service are the non-monetary exchange. Consumption per unit of income, that is average property to consumer, APC, but that is not there in your syllabus point of view, only you have this 4. TFC plus TVC is TC. PIR, that is TR minus TC. Domestic service, non-monetary exchange. Circulation of coin is done by the government of India. Saving is income minus consumption is equals to saving. After this we have market equilibrium. The formula is quantity demand is equal to quantity supplied. Raw material, intermediate good. PIR, TR minus TC. Adam Smith, he said that the perfect competition is under the invisible hand. SDR means the paper, gold. SDR is not there in the syllabus, but still the 4 is there. Okay, let's discuss the next. Possibility of supernormal profit, it is attraction of new firm. Inventory, stock variable. Okay, M3 and M4 are broad money. M1 and M2 is not there in your syllabus. The rest is not there in your syllabus, so don't worry at all. I hope if you like this video, it is helpful as well. If it is helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my latest updates and notification. Do support to my channel, and thank you very much for watching, and even share it with your friends so that even they could get good marks in the midterm examination.